Hi folks, it's Dylan.
And Justin!
With Tabletop Foundry. Today we're doing a video that's kind of a little overdue, and we're going to introduce ourselves and introduce our shop. First and foremost, welcome. If you're new to the channel, we are a channel devoted to all things geek and nerd. We focus on Warhammer, D&D, Battletech, 3D printing, and tabletop gaming. If you can see behind me, that's Justin, and I'm Dylan. A little bit about ourselves. We're both combat veterans of the Army. I did 12 years, medically retired. Here's Justin, and
I did 4 years active, 2 years reserve.
And we live here in Central Texas. Welcome to the Foundry. So forgive the shaky video today. We are going mobile. And we're going to show you around the Foundry itself, or at least part of the Foundry. First and foremost, our computer setup. This is where all the magic gets edited, shot, and filmed, and most of the movie magic happens.
Yep, that's our high-end laptop that we take everywhere and do things with.
The resin printing station and curing station with our hazmat bin and our storage trays. And baby Grogu. Shh, spoilers. As Justin comes around, we're going to sit there and show this is our paint station with his spare computer, and forgive the coffee cup, the resin printers with the toy
resin.
Excuse me, the filaments. Because remember, we never mix food and edibles around the resins. But more importantly, this is going to show what we have worked on. Some of this you're going to see on the channel, other stuff not so much, because it is stuff we did before we started the channel. As you probably already see, some of our Warhammer products that have been featured on the Facebook page. Remember, we are on all the social media sites right now, or we're trying to be. Some of our D&D terrain pieces, some of our early examples of what we could do with 3D printing.
Actually printed on the Toybox, amazingly enough, back before we got printers.
Yeah. Nice dice tower, angels, dice, some minis, our benchies.
Our attempt at making dice.
Oh yes.
No improver are coming.
The rooks, our paint and art supplies, D&D boxes, and some more D&D stuff and magic. But one of the things you probably notice is there's something in here that's not 3D printed. That's right, folks, as I hand the camera over to Justin.
Yeah.
We don't just sit there and do 3D printing. We also do everything nerd. Some dry aged paper, parchment, map, maybe for a game that's coming up, maybe not. But we show that we do a little bit of everything. Yeah. Thank you for coming, and welcome to the channel.
I'll take it from here. So this right here is sort of a showcase of what we are capable of. This isn't, hey, we just recently got a 3D printer and started doing this. We've been actually in the hobby for a little over a year now for 3D printing. When it comes to things like Magic and D&D, we've been in it a lot longer. I know I've been playing Magic since 7th edition. That's why I hit hard and heavy.
Portal.
Yeah, so that's why we are listed sort of as an educational channel too, is we're here to answer questions. That's why we tell everybody to like, follow, subscribe, comment, is because we are here to answer questions you might have. We probably have the answer. If not, we will find the answer. Things are so thrown over the internet, it's sometimes hard to, figure out what's really working on what's just pure BS. Game store. That being said, welcome to the channel. Thank you for following and subscribing. Hit that little bell, get notified whenever we post a new video. We will have a schedule up soon as we continue to get more footage in.